Yeah, we're out of here. A few minutes later, we were sitting on the front porch on Road City watching the lightning.
This will be harder to put on Facebook. It's a
all
video.
All the gray apartments at the top of that lot.
Yeah. I got scared when that last one came.
Oh, did he?
All of a sudden, both
loud,
lightning comes out here. Boom!
Johnny!
Things like that hit something like that. You know where Wendy's is. I don't know if that's still above me.
One of the kids
Find it?
Going down where I'm
That was right there.
Yeah,
right now. So, you know, sometimes you see lightning like, oh, that was close.
He doesn't know whether he's scared.
I know.
Watch out there. Watch over there. Watch the sky.
I think the only reason he's not scared is because everybody else is having fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Watch the sky. Watch the sky, man.
Erica, can you give me a water, please?
It's okay,
Watch the
honey.
sky. Look.
No.
In the house, Erica. Watch the sky. Watch him.
Is it raining? You're already wet.
It already did that.
Go hide under my bed. I don't do that anymore.
You gotta wait for it. Oh.